In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flatten markups in Bluebeam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your annotations into part of the page content, so they stay put when you share or print your PDF. Flattening in Bluebeam takes items like markups, measurements, and stamps and burns them into the PDF's content layer. That means they're no longer easy to move objects, which is great for final deliverables, submittals, and archival sets. It helps prevent accidental edits, keeps documents consistent for anyone who doesn't use Bluebeam, and ensures what you see on screen is exactly what gets printed. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Make sure you're looking at the correct tab if you have multiple files open. This is the document where your current markups and measurements live, and it's the one you'll be finalizing. Next, go to the top menu and click Document. This is where Bluebeam groups file-level commands related to processing, cleanup, and publishing. From this menu, select Flatten. Depending on your version, you may see it labeled simply as Flatten or as Flatten Markups. Either way, it opens the same dialog. Now you'll choose what to flatten. This is the key decision point. Bluebeam will show categories such as markups, measurements, and stamps, among others. If you're preparing a final sheet set to send outside your team, it's common to include all visible markups. If you're still collaborating internally, you might leave certain measurement items unflattened so team members can continue adjusting them. Think about the purpose of the file. Final distribution usually means more items get flattened. Active review means fewer. The goal is to lock in only what you're confident is ready to be permanent. When you're satisfied with the selections, click OK to confirm. Bluebeam will process the file and apply the changes. Once it finishes, try clicking on an area where a markup used to be. You'll notice it behaves like native page content rather than a selectable annotation, which confirms the flatten was successful. If your document is large or has many markups, allow a moment for the operation to complete. A quick word of caution, flattening is effectively permanent for most workflows. If you anticipate needing to edit certain items later, decide carefully which objects to include in the flatten. Many teams flatten only at milestone checkpoints to maintain a clean record of what was finalized. That's all it takes. Open your PDF, go to Document, choose Flatten, select what to include, and confirm. You've now locked in your markups for reliable sharing and printing.